Hello, this is Pranavan, and today we will be looking into Sun Tzu, The Art of War. So let's have a look into this right now. And there you have it. This is The Art of War, the ancient classic, from Sun Tzu, with an introduction by Tom Butler Bowden. And the back. So if you go into checking the inside, so it's got Art of War. And this chair. And those are the pages of the book. Yeah, and you can also see the writing not only from here, but you could also see it from here as well. The Art of War, the ancient classic. Well, there you have it. This is a quick unboxing of The Art of War by Sun Tzu. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the future. Bye.